Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. Hi, I'm Haris Nufail bin Roza Shaifuddin from SK Melimau 1. I'm 11 years old. I love English very much because I love to read English story books. Besides reading, I love to create my own comic and play video games. Talking about reading, there is a book that I love very much. I had repeated the same book 3 times as the book really fit my interest. The title of the book is Prophet Stories from Holy Quran. There are altogether 16 stories of the Prophet written in the book. Some of them are Prophet Adam and his children, Prophet Saleh and the camel, Prophet Sulaiman and Queen Balqis, and Prophet Ayub and his faith in Allah. The book has 129 pages and I need only a day to complete reading it. Some of the stories that attract my interest are the stories on Prophet Adam taught his sons how to make sacrifice to Allah. The stories of Prophet Nuh called his people to worship Allah but they refused, and Allah instructed Prophet Nuh to build a ship on a dry land. The stories of Prophet Saleh asked the people to repent and mend their ways, but they refused and even tried to bribe Prophet Saleh with their wealth. Frankly speaking, this book is the best book I've ever found because the front page illustration is colorful that can attract children's interest to read it. Other than that, the font size in the book is quite big so that children can read stories clearly even from far. The best part of the book is there are pictures in every pages that explain every story so that when children read the book, they can easily understand the whole story. Finally, this book tells us about our beloved Prophet in a very simple way by using the intermediate level of vocab. This book taught me to have high belief in Allah and always follow Islam way of life. From this book, the writer also reminds me that every wrongdoing will be punished by Allah either in the world or in afterlife. Besides, every good deed will also be granted by Allah too. With that, I end my book presentation with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and thank you.